guys, good day. Today we'll discuss to you a certain topic under algebra, the number problems. So there are three problems in here, so let us first begin for problem number 1. So the tens digit of a certain two-digit number is 1/3 of the unit's digit. Okay? When the digits are reversed, the new number exceeds twice the original number, 2 more than the sum of the digits. So find the original number. So what is that? Okay? So pag naka-encounter ka ng mga tens digits, 1 digits, 100 digits, yung gawin mo lang is ganito. Okay? So for number 1, you have a 2-digit number. So what is that? Actually, you have the tens digit and the ones digit. Okay? Now, kapag 2-digit number yan, okay? Yung t na yan, that is the magnitude of the tens digit. Okay? But of course, the total value of that is simply what? 10 times t. Why you need to multiply it by 10? Because, okay, yung t na yan is just a number. So for you to compute or for you to know the real number, you need to multiply it by 10. Why? Because, again, it occupies the tens digits. Okay? So for ones, okay, that is just a number. But of course, its value is simply multiplied by 1. So simply, O na lang yan. That stands for ones. Okay? Now, this is the original number. This is the original number. Okay? Or the original 2-digit number. So sabi niya, okay, the tens digit of a certain 2-digit number is 1/3 of the units digit. So, kumbaga, yung t na yan is just what? 1/3 lang daw ng ones digit. Okay? So, let this be your equation 1. Okay? Now, ano pa? When the digits are reversed, okay, the new number exceeds twice more than the original number. So, kapag binaliktad mo daw yung t tsaka 1, okay? Anong mangyayari? Okay? What will happen? Yung ginawa mo daw, okay? Yung O, yan yung gawin mong tens digit, okay? So, of course, multiply mo rin yan sa 10, okay? Okay, if ito daw, in-reverse mo, instead na yung tens digit dito, gawin mo tong ones digit. So, ito magiging O, ito magiging T, okay? Now, when the digits are reversed, the new number exceeds twice the original number. Okay? Kumbaga, pag ni-reverse mo yung number na yan, yung arrangement ng digits na yan, okay? Mag-i-exceed daw nito, or magiging 2 times daw siya ng original. Okay? So, 10t plus O. Okay? Yan lang ba? Wait, there's more. Okay? What is that? When the digits are reversed, the new number exceeds twice the original number, 2 more than the sum of the digits. So, kumbaga, hindi lang yan, okay? 2 more than, ibig sabihin nun, okay? Mag-plus ka, 2 more than. So, plus the sum of the digits. Okay, so what's that? T plus O. Okay? So, when the digits are reversed, okay? The new number exceeds 2 times the original number, okay? 2 more than the sum of the original. Okay, so yun na yung magiging second equation mo. Okay, this is now my equation 2. Okay? So gawin mo lang, okay? Yung value ng tens digit mo, which is 1/3 ni O, substitute mo dyan lahat, okay? So what is that? Substituting. Okay? Equation 1 to equation 2. Ano yan? Ito, lagay mo dyan. What is that? 10O plus, what is T? Of course, 1/3 lang yan ng O. Okay? Plus, equals 2 times 10 times T, which is 1/3 lang yan ng O. Okay? Plus O. Plus 2 plus T, which is 1/3 lang ni O, or O over 3 plus O. Okay? Now, shift solve, what is the value of O? Okay? Input ko lang sa calculator, what is that? Let O be alpha x in your calculator. So 10 alpha x plus alpha x over 3, alpha equals 2 times 10 alpha x over 3, this one, plus O, which is alpha x, plus 2 plus alpha x over 3, this one, plus alpha x. Shift solve equals, so your O is 6, right? Yan. Alam mo na ngayon yung value ng ones digit mo. So, what is the value of the tens digit? So, of course, T is just 1/3 ni O. Okay? 1/3 ni O, which is 6. So, ilan yan? T is equal to 2. 6 over 3 is simply 2. So, kumbaga, yung digit mo is what? That is just 2 times, yung digit mo kumbaga is what? That is just 10t plus O, or what is that? That is just 10 times 2, okay, plus O mo na 6. So, kumbaga, yung original mo na digit, na 2-digit number is simply 20 plus 6 or 26. Okay, so for you to confirm, okay, try mo substitute dito, okay? Actually, same lang din yung sagot. So, ito yung answer natin. This is for number 1. Now, okay tayo sa number 1. The answer is 26. How about for number 2? For number 2, twice the sum of the 3 numbers is 50. Okay, so what is that? So, dito ko na ilagay. For number 2, okay, twice the sum of the 3 numbers is 50. If the first number is divided by the second number, okay, so yung gawin mo, let x be the first number. First number. Okay? Y mo, gawin mo yung second number mo. Okay? And Z, gawin mo yung third number. Okay? Now, so, okay lang dito tayo this number 1. Okay? I'll just erase this one. Twice the sum of the 3 numbers is 50. So, kumbaga, 2 times the sum of these 3, the x plus y plus z is equal to 50. Okay? So, we can simply divide it both sides by 2. Okay? Giving us x plus y plus z is simply 25. So, this will now become our equation 1. Okay? Now, okay, we have 3 equations, or we have 3 unknowns, so we need to formulate at least 3 equations for us to solve this problem. So, anong gagawin? Hanap tayo ulit ng relation between x, y, and z, okay, to add or to formulate, okay, another or additional 2 equations. So, what is that? If the first number is divided by the second, the quotient is 1. And the remainder is 6. So what is that? If the first number, which is x, right, if the first number is divided by the second, the quotient daw, okay, is 1, but may remainder siya na 6. So yung remainder na yon, okay, that is 6 actually over y. Okay, how? Para ma-visualize mo ito. Let's say yung x mo is 3, okay? So, yung y mo kunwari is 2, okay? So, 3 over 2 is simply 1, okay? Yung remainder mo kaso, okay, may 1 ka pa na remainder. So, actually, okay, if this is 3 and this is 2, the quotient actually is what? 3 over 2, that is just 1, plus may butal ka na remainder. That is actually 1 over kung ano yung divide mo. So, 1 over 2. So, yun yung remainder mo. Here in this case, yung x mo, pag dinivide mo lang sa y, yung quotient niya is 1. Kaso may remainder ka na 6. Yung 6 na yun, i-divide mo lang sa dito. Okay? Now, laruin natin yung equation na to. What will happen? X over y is simply what? Okay, the LCD of this one is what? It is actually y. Kasi yung denominator ni 1 is matic na yan, 1 yan. Okay? May 1 yan sa ilalim. So, multiply yung dalawa. Ito yun siya. 1 times y is y. Now, y, okay? Again, y divided sa 1 is y times 1. Of course, y yan. Ito, y divided sa y, okay? That is 1 times 6. So, ito, 6 yan. Okay, so understood na yan na may 1 dyan sa denominator. So, of course, common yung y sa ilalim. What will happen? Cancel yan. So, in short, x is just simply y plus 6. Or simply, x minus y is equal to 6. This will now become our equation 2. Okay? And lastly, okay, but if the second number is divided by the third, the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2. So, find the value of the smallest number. So, yung smallest number yung hinahanap dito. If we solve x, y, and z, hanapin natin yung smallest number. So, yun yung sagot. Okay? So, for equation 3, anong gagawin? If the second number is divided by the third number, the quotient daw is 2, but may remainder ka rin na 2. Okay? So, of course, that is just simply 2 over z. So, in short, y over z, simply what? That is just z, okay? Z divided by 1, okay, that is z, times 2, that is 2z. So, z divided by z, that is 1, okay, times 2, this is 2. So, common lang si z, cancel yan, okay? So, therefore, y minus 2z is equal to 2. This will now become my equation 3. Now, we now have 3 equations, okay? Is it enough to satisfy this problem? The answer is yes. Why? Because you have, again, 3 unknowns. So, given these 3 equations, then the problem is solvable. So, what's that? Of course, gamitan na ito ng calcio. Of course, pwede mo ito ma-solve simultaneous using substitution or elimination. But huwag ka na mapakahirap pa, okay? Use what? Use mode 5, 2, okay? Makikita mo ito sa calcio na in the form of ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, okay? This is the coefficient of x, this is the coefficient of y, the coefficient of z, and this is the constant. So, kung makikita mo, okay, in-arrange ko na yan. So, what is that? Actually, this is x, y, z is equal to 25. So, ano mangyari? Okay? This is x plus y plus z is equal to 25. Eto, x minus y plus, yung z mo dito is 0. So, lagay mo lang dyan, 0 is equal to 6. How about this one? Y minus 2z. So, 0 yung x nyan. Okay? Plus y minus 2z is equal to 2. Okay? Now, sa calcio mo ngayon, makita mo lang dyan is ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This is sa first row. Sa ilalim nyan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And lastly, sa third row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung gawin mo, pag-input mo yung mga coefficient nyan. Okay? So, sa first row, coefficient ni x is 1. Okay? Coefficient ni y, 1. Coefficient ni z, 1. Yung d mo dito, which is the constant term, is 25. So, 25 yan. So, sa calcio, lagay mo dyan, 1, 1, 1, 25. How about this one? It is 1, negative 1, 0, 6. Okay? And lastly, for that last equation, yung x mo is 0, y mo is 1, z mo is negative 2, and the constant d, or the constant term is 2. Okay? Once na input mo na yan, okay? Once na input mo na yan, pindutin mo ngayon si equals. Okay? It will give you the first value of x. Okay? Pindutin mo yung si equals. Okay? Yung unang pindot mo, bibigay niya sa iyo yung value ng x. Second pindot mo, bibigay niya sa iyo si z. Okay? So what is that? Try. Mode 5, 2. 1, 1, 1, 25. 1, negative 1, 0, 6. 0, 1, negative 2, 2. Okay? The first value is 14, that is x, the first number. Okay? Second value is 8. Okay? This is the second number. And lastly, the third value is 3. Okay? So this is the first digit, 14. The second digit, or the first number is 14. The second number is 8. And the last number, the third number is 3. So the thing that we're looking for is the smallest. So take this as the answer. The smallest number is 3. So this is the answer. And lastly, for number 3, okay, given if the numerator and the denominator of a certain fraction is increased by 3, the resulting fraction is 2/3. However, if both the numerator and the denominator are decreased by 2, the resulting fraction is 1/2. So find the original fraction. Okay, so for us to solve this, okay, so we're done with number 2. Okay, erase ko na ito. If the numerator and the denominator of a certain fraction is increased by 3, the resulting fraction is 2/3. So number 3, yung gawin mo, let x is equal to numerator. Okay? Let y be the denominator. Okay? Now, anong gagawin? Okay? Yung fraction mo is simply x over y. Okay? This is the original fraction. Kaso, yung sabi niya, if the numerator and the denominator daw, okay, is increased by 3, so kumbaga, dagdagan mo yan ng 3. Okay? Yung numerator mo, which is x, dagdagan mo ng 3. Same goes with the denominator. Kaso, if this happens, yung nangyari daw, okay, the resulting fraction is what? The resulting fraction is simply 2/3. Okay? So, pag dinagdagan mo daw ng 3, both numerator and denominator, the resulting fraction is 2/3. Okay? This will become our equation 1. Okay? Now, however, if both the numerator and the denominator is decreased by 2, okay, the resulting fraction is 1/2. Kumbaga, okay, ano daw? If yung both numerator and denominator daw ay bawasan mo ng 2, okay? Sorry, bawasan mo ng 2, the resulting fraction is what? The resulting fraction is 1/2. Okay? So, paano ngayon yan? Okay? This will become our equation, this will become our equation number 2. Okay? Now, is this enough to solve this problem? The answer is yes. Why? Because we only have the x and the y variable. So these two equations, okay, is enough to satisfy the problem. So anong gagawin? Okay? So you can express x in terms of y, okay? Or pwede rin na express y in terms of x. Tapos i-substitute mo. So I'll take this equation 1, okay? What is that? X plus 3, okay? X plus 3 over y plus 3 is equal to 2/3. Now, eto, multiply ko doon. So, x plus 3 is equal to what? X plus 3 is equal to 2/3 of y plus 3. Now, ngayon, yung x ko, i-express ko in terms of y. So, umaga, x na lang matitira dito. So, x is just 2/3 of y plus 3. Okay? Yung 3 ko, transpose ko kabila, magiging negative. Now, eto ngayon siya, yung value na x. Okay? Yung value na x na yan, which came from equation 1, is substitute ko ngayon dito. Okay? So, substitute, okay, to equation number 2. What's that? X minus 2, x minus 2 over y minus 2 is equal to 1/2. Now, ngayon yung x ko na ito, substitute ko dyan. So, what is that? Yung mangyayari, okay, x, which is 2/3 ni y plus 3, okay, minus 3, yan pala ngayon yung x ko. Ito siya. Kaso may minus 2 ka pa. So, minus 2, okay, over y minus 2 is equal to 1/2. Okay? All terms or all variables are nasa y na siya. Wala ka ng x dito. So, in short, you cannot solve the value of y. So, what is that? Input mo to sa calcio and use shift solve. So, 2/3 of y plus 3 minus 3 minus 2 over y minus 2 alpha equals 1/2. So the value of y is 12. Okay? Now, you now have the value of y. Okay? May value ka na ngayon ni y, which is 12. Okay? You can then solve for the value of x. Okay? Yung value ni y, substitute mo doon. Okay? Para masolve mo si x. Okay? What is that? X is just 2/3. Okay? 2/3 ni y, which is 12 plus 3 minus 3. Okay? So, 12 plus 3, 15. 15 divided sa 3. 15 divided sa 3 is 5. Times 2, magiging 10. 10 minus 3, in short, x is 7. So, question is, what is the value of the original fraction? So, in short, the value of the original fraction is what? Of course, x over y lang yan. This is the fraction. Okay? This is the fraction. Ito ngayon yung hinahanap natin. So, what is the value of x? It is just 7 over y, which is 12. Okay? Ito ngayon yung sagot. Ayos? So, yun lang. I hope may nakuha kayo dito. Thank you.